How to delete and undo repost on Instagram. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove repost on your Instagram account. First, all I have to do is, of course, pull up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in into your Instagram account. To view all your reposts, all I have to do is to head into your Instagram profile at the lower right portion of your screen. And then below edit profile, you should see four options. All I have to do is to choose on the repost icon. So this is where all your reposts will show up. For you to be able to delete this or to undo your repost, just simply access or pull up the repost that you would like to be deleted. For example, this one. All I have to do next is just to tap on the same button once again to undo or to delete it. And just have to refresh it for it to be removed on the list. And that's it. That's how you remove repost on Instagram.